Hello, cute childrens. How are you? I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a cute cake for you for your birthday. It is a gift from my side for you. So for this purpose, we have to use today a scale. So I'm drawing a line, straight line. Okay, this side and again for this side as well. Okay, so okay, we have drawn two lines, but it's looking now not equal, so no problem, we make it equal. Okay, it's good. So now we have to start from here, come here, and we have to meet these points. Okay, good. So now more is it's as well, it's upper side little bit, so we have to draw from here and come here and stop upper side, and you have to meet these points. If you don't, if you don't have scale, no problem, you can make with hand as well. So but it's I'm making with this, it will be look good. So now it's upper side 1 and 1. Okay, so now it's what's more we have to draw here. Okay, perfect, amazing, perfect. So now what is more we have to draw the candles. Okay, I point it 1 2 3 4. Okay, we have to draw 3. So if this and this 1 2 3. Okay, beautiful children. If you feel I am going fast, you can pause your video and you can stop it, then again you can make it. So here 1, this is your fire. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, haha, it's this and this. Okay, amazing, 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 amazing. So now what is missing? Always we make a smiley face. So for smiley face, we have to draw circles, small circles for eyes. Okay, one, and with the parallel side, try to make a equal. If not, no problem. Always I say we are not in competition. We are just enjoying. So here 1 2 1 2, and we have to fill the remaining part. So eyes are ready, but now it's missing smiley face. It's looking so cool. So now we have to make a design like for your cake. Okay, and more here as well. Yuppie! It's amazing and ready. So now one more thing I want to do here. Okay, it's here. Okay, I have to draw a heart for you. This is my love from you. Okay. Okay, children, it's looking outclass. It's a, so now just missing a color. I meet you after color. Yupu, it's ready for birthday. So your cake is ready for birthday. Please enjoy this cake and enjoy this video. And the main thing is that please be happy and be safe always. So keep enjoying while drawing. And the thing is that please subscribe my channel. This is the love from your side for me. And please watch full video for having fun. So be careful until the next video. Bye bye. Take care.